Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Popai for presentation. I will assume that you already created the presentation. So let's head over here to the My Presentation and you will see here My Presentation templates based or AI generated. So I have just this one and I will use it for this video. Now you will see here at the top corner this bluish uh, button where it says presentation. This is at the top right corner. Now, if you click on it, you will go into the uh, basically full screen on the website. And what that does, it goes into the presentation mode. To escape out of this presentation mode, just hit the escape button on your keyboard. So play from the first page, play from the current page. You have these two options, so you can select it. But as you can see, it works perfectly fine. So yeah, this is how you can use Pop AI for presentation. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.